This is Bob with Express Restoration and Carpet of Oklahoma City, doing another water loss. We got our 160 amps coming out of a generator. You can see here the air movers. Another room, more air movers. Air scrubber, HD 200, more focus air movers, turbo vents, little workstation. Kind of see how we got our cords running. Another DHU, more electrical cords, small utility room. Here's another office. More electrical cords, another HD 200, more, another office area. Another office affected. 8500 Viking. DHU, extra large, axle fans, air scrubber, more DHUs, more air movers, electric cords ran to the top and down, more DHUs, air scrubbers, more air movers, DHUs, air scrubbers. It's a basement in a church that flooded. Utility room. Another room. Another utility room. Bathroom. There's a shaft. Still full of water, using a sub pump to get it out. Here's another room. You see, this is Bob with Express Restoration and Carpet of Oklahoma City. We're doing a rental deal with Paul Davis of Oklahoma City or Norman. You can contact me at area code 405-922-8891 if you need to rent any equipment or if you need us to do a job or make the billing. Thank you.